going on, everybody? Sorry I've been gone for a while. I've been working a bit lately, and the weather's been kind of terrible, so hopefully I'll get some more videos put up. So for today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna install my front lip. I got it a couple days ago, it came in the mail. Haven't got time to put it on. It's been snowing lately, so yeah, so we're gonna put that on. And then also I got an AFR gauge from a buddy, and just gonna find a O2 sensor for that, and then hopefully get that hooked up as well. Might save that for another video, but let's get into it. Quick little update, we're just stopping at Ace Hardware, gonna pick up a couple clips and probably like some nuts and bolts to mount the lip. Didn't come with any, so gonna have to do that ourselves. And then also I'm gonna stop by the shop, get it installed, so let's get that done. Oh yeah, got the hardware. Now let's roll out and get the day started. A little bit of change of plans, pulled up back to the house. Friend wasn't available today to hit it up at the shop, so I'm just gonna take the bumper off and try to do it myself here, so let's get into it. Well, we got the car jacked up. There's gonna be some screws you're gonna need to take off. Take off this one here, and that one. And then you can see there's a screw here, clip. There should be one there, but I'm missing that one. Same for those. And then we'll take it off and put this on there. So we run into a little problem with my lights. So they're all wired through here, and they're all zip tied. So can't move it very far. Spliced up through the headlight. So looks like I'm probably just gonna take the headlight off and then do it that way, and then get it installed. So we're gonna do that real quick. Well, we got the bumper off finally. Got the lip a little bit deformed from shipping and weather and stuff like that, so kind of cold outside, so we're gonna take the bumper inside and take the lip inside and drill all the holes and put the hardware on, and then put it back on. So see you guys soon. Well, ran into another problem. So the hardware I got earlier was the bolts are too long, so I'm gonna go back and get some more, and then we'll get that fixed.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now on. Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now
Got the goods.
Did you find the right one?
Yeah.
Did you still need these little?
Yeah, I just still needed those. 5.
This cut is fresh.
Just got done putting the lip on. I think it looks pretty good. Couple of, maybe some spots might have a little gap, but looks good overall. Oh, gonna put it back on now, and we'll be good. My camera died yesterday during filming, but we did get the lip done. We got the bumper put back on, and it looks really good. So I'm just gonna finish the video here today. I'll show you guys again what it looks like. I think it looks more aggressive now that the lip's put on, and yeah, so let's check it out. So yeah, it looks good. Everything's awesome. It did pick it up for about 50 bucks off Amazon. So if you guys are looking for one, $50 lip will do until you get a better one. Maybe you might get a carbon fiber one later on, or just get a little bit better quality one. But it'll do for now. Looks good. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys next time. See ya.